So a u1 equals 0. So u2 will be 1 squared. So 0 squared is nothing. Take away 1 is -1. And then u3 minus 1 squared is +1. Take away 1 is 0. And then u4 is going to be -1. And that will oscillate sort of between 0 and -1. And this first part, u1 equals 1, u2 equals 1 squared is 1, take away 1 is nothing. And now we know what this is going to be. u3 is going to be -1, and u4 is obviously going to be 0. And this will be, so it'll start at 1, then alternate between 0 and -1. Last one, u1 equals 2. So u2, 2 squared is 4, take away 1 is 3. u3, 3 squared is 9, take away 1 is 8. u4, 8 squared is 64, that'll be 63. And this one is getting bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger. Greater and greater. B. Given that u2 equals u1, well u2 equals u1 squared minus 1. That's what it says here. So given that this equals u1, it's basically saying u2 equals u1. So it's saying solve that. Quadratic, so u1 squared minus u1 minus 1 equals 0. Quadratic always get equals 0. Hopefully this will factorise. So u 1 positive and 1 negative. It's not going to factorise. So I'm going to have to use the formula for it. So u1 squared, no, u1 equals minus b, which is -1, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 1, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is -1, all over 2. So u1 equals -1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 is 5. So u1, I have u1 plus root 5 over 2, or u1 minus root 5 all over 2. That's done. C. Given that u3 equals u1, well, u2 is u1 squared minus 1, so u3 is u1 squared minus 1 squared, take away 1. So that's, and they're saying that given that that equals u1, so I've got to then basically solve this. So multiply this out, that'll be u1 squared times, I'm going to write it out twice, u1 squared minus 1 times u1 squared minus 1 equals u1. This would be u1 to the power 4 minus u1 squared minus another u1 squared, so that's minus 2 u1 squareds plus 1 minus 1 equals u1. And so u1 to the power 4 minus 2 u1 squared plus 1 minus 1 would be nothing, and then take away u1 equals 0, and that is what they wanted. Quod erat demonstrandum. That's done.